When Gautam Buddha was alive, he used to sleep in the same posture for the whole night. He would not move from side to side or even an inch from his sleeping position. One day, one of Gautam Buddha's disciples named Ananda was very troubled because every night he would see that Buddha was still, sometimes in the middle of the night. Ananda would wake up and observe that Buddha was still in the same position, absolutely motionless. One night, Ananda couldn't resist his curiosity and approached Buddha while he was sleeping. He woke him up and said, "I know it is not good to disturb you at night because throughout the day you have been walking and teaching. But I couldn't wait until morning to ask you this. For 20 years I have been watching you, and I have waited patiently. But now I have to ask you this question. Please tell me, how do you manage to remain in the same posture that you go to sleep in for the whole night? Do you sleep, or do you simply keep that posture without moving? Because I have to keep moving continuously. I can't sleep still the whole night." Gautam Buddha said, "I have found the right posture, and now there is no need to change it. Even though my body is asleep, I am awake. As anyone, even my body is asleep. I have found the right posture for my body. But you are still searching for it. It is not simply a question of tossing and turning the body. It is because your mind is tossing and turning that you keep changing your position. I have gone beyond. There is no mind when I go to sleep. The body simply lies down like a corpse. Have you ever seen a corpse changing its posture? My consciousness is always awake while I am sleeping. We see in our lives it is our mind. Once our mind is at rest, once it disappears, our body can remain asleep. But our inner eye, our inner sensitivity, our awareness can remain burning like a small flame. Not only do I watch my body, but I also observe the silent mind and the stillness surrounding me. The enlightened man cannot sleep in the same way as the unenlightened one sleeps. When the unenlightened man sleeps, he is simply unconscious, whereas the enlightened man sleeps, but he is always conscious of his body and his mind. Subscribe now for life-changing content. Join us on this incredible journey of growth, inspiration, and fulfillment. Unlock your potential and embrace a life worth living. Hit that subscribe button and let's embark on this amazing adventure together.